This is the Ecovacs Deebot T90 Pro Omni. Look, I talk about a lot of robot vacuums here on the channel, and I like checking them out because I genuinely find them useful. But admittedly, the ones I talk about pretty often are like the flagship models, the top of the top end, and with that comes expensive prices. But what if you don't want to spend that much money but still get excellent performance? Well, that's exactly what this is trying to tackle. And there's a few key features with it that I think really make it a good sell. And so Ecovacs reached out, wanted to sponsor this video for me to show you what they have to offer. And it's looking pretty good. By the way, for reference, just before we get into it, Ecovacs makes a few different models. So they have the X11, which is on the very high end. That's over $1,000. This one is around $700 right now if you looked online, and I'll leave links down below in the description. They also have a non-pro version of the T90, and that's about $100 less. And really the only difference there is that it doesn't have the Eco GPT, which is their voice assistant built in. So if you want to save a little bit of money, that is an option. But this really falls nicely between their kind of budget models and their really premium options, right in the middle, but I think it gives you everything you might need. Now, the T90 Pro is your all-in-one solution for vacuuming, mopping, and it also has a base station, so it can last a long time without you really needing to fuss with it all that much. And I'll talk about the vacuuming side in a second, but honestly, these days, to me, it's all about the mopping and mopping performance. Because, well, when your floors get dirty, it's nice to not have to clean them as often. And so this has OZMO ROLLER 3.0 built in, and that's its cleaning system for the mop. And that comes with a 27 centimeter mop head, and it's like a cylindrical one that rolls instead of spins like some other models you may have seen. This is a high density microfiber cloth on this roller, and it can spin at 200 RPM, but it can also extend outward to get to the walls and corners and around different, furniture legs, stuff like that. And with that extension, you get 50% more area covered, which is great. Plus, it also pushes down with 10 newtons of pressure. So you're getting extended cleaning, you're getting pressure down, which leads to a really effective clean. And what's nice about this is it actually injects water into the roller head so that as it goes around and cleans, like you can see here, it picks up debris or stains or liquids like you're seeing here. It'll spin, and as it spins, it will be refreshed with clean water so that it can continue cleaning. This is a really effective system. I really like this roller style because it feels like you just get a really big contact patch, and it works really well. You can see here. But like I said, you're getting that extended feature, which is really nice. So that's the TruEdge 3.0 technology. And this lets you clean along edges like baseboards, around corners, around furniture legs. This actually sticks out 1.5 centimeters beyond the edge of the robot itself. So you can really get all the way to the edge. Some of these systems say that they extend out, and they do, but they don't really go all the way out. So you're still missing, that little portion. This one actually gets all the way to the edge. And this has a TruEdge 3D light sensor on the edge of it. So that's how it detects when it needs to actually, extend the roller mop out to clean. Plus in the base station, you can add detergent so you can get an even more effective clean. And also in that base station, of course, this is where you have your dirty water, your clean water, and it will clean the roller itself once it's done. And it'll dry it with hot air so that you don't get any mildew or mold. All the stuff you would expect, this has that built in. When it comes to mopping, this is getting the job done. I've used many types of system that use this similar idea of using a roller mop instead of the different pads, and it works. I use it to clean my house all the time. So the mopping is great, but on the flip side of that, you have vacuuming, which is one feature that I use nearly every single day because you can automate it and just have a clean house more often. Mopping, for me personally at least, is something I do at most once a week, but vacuuming, I just let it go because it really is that efficient. And for vacuuming, this has BLAST high airflow suction built in and 30,000 pascals of suction. And what that means is that when it's going around getting dust, it can just pick up more things, and a ZeroTangle 4.0 brush underneath. And so what this means is that on the vacuum side, you're getting a ton of suction out of it. So anything you have in front of it, like for instance, this is my front door, there's leaves outside, and when people come in, they track those in inevitably, and they're just laying here. This can pick up these big chunks of leaves, absolutely no problem. But that also goes for smaller things and bigger things, hair, pet food. I mean, anything you can think of, it could probably pick it up. And part of the equation there is this ZeroTangle 4.0 brush. And really it's in the name. This is made to not get tangles. When you're picking up hair, tangles are inevitable, but this is only connected on one side, and it has a special design that will let the hair basically slide off and get sucked into the dustbin. And this whole design gives you less airflow turbulence and vibration, which just again leads to a more effective clean, whether it's on carpets, hardwood, tile, anything like that. Plus, even though it's super powerful, it's actually pretty quiet. That's one thing Ecovacs really wanted to build in here, is a really effective cleaning system, but one that you can run whenever you need to and not have it be distracting. And just like with the mopping, you have the base station there as well, and this will empty everything you just collected into the dustbin, so you can wait weeks and weeks before you need to actually empty it yourself. So it's pretty hands-free, which is nice. And the base station itself, and well, this whole system is hands-free as well. There's AI voice and app control, so you can be completely hands-free when it comes to operating this, which is really nice. And this has all the smarts built in that you would hope. One thing I really like is that there's nothing sticking out on top of it. It has this kind of unique design on top, but the sensors are actually on front. So you have a camera here, you have LiDAR, all the things to map your home and make sure it knows where it's going. And this whole system is using gallium nitride based power boost technology. So what this means is when it's doing its mopping cycle, instead of it running out of battery and then having to wait, like an hour to recharge, it can actually do power boost charging, which charges it up super quickly. With this, you could get 10% battery in just 3 minutes, which if you've ever used any of these systems, they actually take quite a long time to charge. So this is a big improvement. So yeah, if you're looking for just like a good all-around vacuum mop system, this is probably a good place to start. You don't necessarily need all the bells and whistles, but you want something that's solid and is going to do its job. This is making a good case for itself. Like I said, I'll leave links down below to pick this up or learn more for yourself, and you'll find the best pricing there. But yeah, I always say it, I'll say it again. Once you get one of these, it's really hard to go back because everything becomes hands-free and your house just always looks clean. And well, that comes in handy.